Hey there everyone, Jeff here. Welcome back to Imagination Tech. So we've hit 900 subscribers. We've actually hit 900 subscribers when we were drawing the 800 subscriber winner. But then 4 subscribers unsubscribed after we got the winner for the 800 subscriber giveaway, and not a problem because we hit 900 again the following morning. So yeah, that's all good and settled. So again, thank you to all of my subscribers, old and new. Keep watching my content. I really appreciate it. But yeah, for our 900 subscribers, we will be drawing them again this Sunday. Sorry, I wasn't able to post this video or shoot this video, right after the giveaway. I had a ton of stuff that I needed to get to. The prize for the 800 subscriber giveaway, which was a Hummingbird, Project Mockingbird Edition Hummingbird, was already shipped out and it's already on its way. When we did 700 subscribers, we gave away, a couple of GNB Kaiju power batteries, and now for 900 subscribers, we have we're giving away RCInPower. I believe these are 2306 1800 kV motors, so it's going to be perfect for 6S setups. So this time we are going to be doing this again for Philippine residents only. So I have to be able to ship it to you within the Philippines. Right, so we'll do an international giveaway again when we hit 1,000, but for now it's just for Philippine residents. All right, so contest rules are simple. Once again, you need to be subscribed and you need to comment one comment on this video. And the previous winners were for 700 we had Mark Benhor. For 800 we have Emax FPV user, and I already know that they have been subscribers for quite some time. So I did not check anymore if they were subscribers. But for this 900 and when we hit 1,000, I will be checking if you are actually a subscriber to the channel. Now, if you have your privacy, depending on your privacy settings, you might have your you might make your channel subscriptions private. It's private by default, so you have to make it public. All right, I need to be able to check if you are actually subscribed. Otherwise, we will draw another winner. So to change your channel subscriptions to public, I'll post a link down in the description on how to do that, and I'll probably post an overlay on how you would do that as well. All right, so just make sure that you are subscribed and that your channel subscriptions are public, and that you post one comment on this video. So you're gonna get a set of 4 RCInPower motors, and that's going to be shipped out from Metro Manila and to any point in the Philippines. Of course, I will also be covering the shipping. Right, so good luck to everyone, and we are going to be hitting 1,000 soon, so make sure that you're subscribed. Maybe we'll hit 1,000 in a week or two, so do stay tuned. All right, in the meantime, keep building and keep flying.